So if they're able to pull this off, I definitely think it's going to be a driver for the stock. What is going on, guys? I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and please stick around for the fun fact at the end of the day. Drop a like, a sub, go over and check me out on Instagram. That would be super. But today we got some really interesting news that helped drive the market, and particularly the Dow up, because Microsoft is such a heavy weighted stock on the Dow along with Apple. And that news was Microsoft is in talks with TikTok to potentially buy the social media app. Now, what makes this so interesting is Microsoft currently does not have a foothold at all in social media, which is dominated by Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and then Google's YouTube. So if Microsoft was able to get its hands on a social media platform that is already established with millions and millions of users, I, along with a bunch of other investors, see a large potential for growth, ad revenue, all new forms of monetization. And I think Microsoft would be able to get TikTok for a discount because Trump has essentially kind of given an ultimatum and said, okay, you have 45 days to negotiate this. And more than likely, if they do not come to a deal, TikTok is going to be banned in the United States. And I think this kind of puts TikTok in a corner and forces them to almost lower their selling price and puts Microsoft in a much better position to negotiate a better deal for them. So I think that is a good sign for investors. Lastly, another positive I think you can see in this is if they come to an agreement, all the data is going to be transferred from China to Microsoft. So if you're just looking at kind of trustworthy sources and who you would much rather house your data, I think we can all agree Microsoft is the safer option. So I think that is going to drive re-downloads of the app. I know personally I uninstalled the app because of concerns of spying. So if they're able to pull this off, I definitely think it's going to be a driver for the stock price. Microsoft has a lot of things going for it already. So even if they don't acquire TikTok, in my mind, it is still a buy. But if they somehow do acquire TikTok, I definitely think it is a smart stock to buy. So I know it was a quick video, but I just wanted to get that out there and give you guys the option to kind of play around with the idea and maybe get in on Microsoft tomorrow if it's the values that you like. But today in history, 1914, August 3rd, Germany declares war on France. And well, I guess that was the start of World War I, and then we all know how World War II went. So hopefully that never happens again. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I will see you tomorrow.